Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your Windows. Like you can connect to your Wi-Fi on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and here you need to type Device Manager. Click on it under the best match. Or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select Device Manager in the list of options. Now here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate the network adapters and here you need to look for your connection. All you have to do is update that. Make a right click, select Update Driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you. And then you just have to click on Next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Close this and close this window. And then you just have to simply wait because you will be reconnected again into your Wi-Fi, as you can see. Connecting to Wi-Fi. So you just need to wait in a while and now we are connected. Now if that didn't work for you, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Device Manager. Click on it under the best match. And here you need to look again for your network adapters. Locate your connection, make a right click, select uninstall device. Click on the uninstall button. Now if you're afraid that this will not be reinstalled into your Windows, well, do not worry. Once you click on the uninstall option, you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver that you have uninstalled from your Windows. And after that, you just need to simply check again your connection. And for the final method, click on the start button and then go to settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to look for network and internet. Here you'll find advanced network settings. Click on Network Reset. So this will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to the original settings. Make sure to back up your connection password. Click on Reset Now. Click on Yes. And after that, this will restart your Windows. Then you have to enter again your password once the Windows has been restarted. So that's it. That's how you can fix Wi-Fi connection problems on Windows. So if these solutions work for you, then please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.